Nestled halfway up a gentle hillside in a quiet residential district of Japan, House on a Hill redefines the way we perceive privacy and connection to nature in modern living. Designed by New Material Research Laboratory and completed in 2022, this 313 square meter residence embraces its topography with a split-level layout that responds thoughtfully to the site's 2-meter elevation change. Instead of conforming to conventional urban housing, the architects crafted a composition of 2 distinct volumes, north and south, linked visually and spatially by a serene central courtyard. At the heart of the design is a desire to cultivate intimacy without isolation. The house is conceived as a courtyard sanctuary, invisible from the street, where every room frames a tranquil garden view. Natural light is channeled inward from this green core, allowing the southern facade to remain intentionally closed, free of windows. This deliberate restraint not only reinforces privacy, but also evokes a sense of calm, a quiet architectural gesture that invites reflection and retreat. Materiality plays a central role in the sensory experience of the home. The residence combines a reinforced concrete base with a meticulously crafted wooden post and beam upper structure. A prominent 10-meter Tohoku pine ridge beam anchors the interior, its surface shaped by traditional Nakuri finishing techniques. Shinshu larch windows open onto the courtyard, harmonizing with stoneware tiles and the subtly textured plaster. Outside, antique paving stones and carefully placed garden walls enrich the tactile landscape, while evergreen and deciduous plantings ensure a dynamic seasonal presence. Inside, the boundaries between spaces are carefully orchestrated. The living and dining areas, set at courtyard level, extend seamlessly into the landscape, blurring indoor and outdoor thresholds. The split-level strategy is further expressed through thoughtful roof proportions. The low hip and gable massing creates a cohesive interior atmosphere while preserving a human scale. Exposed rafters and low partition walls reveal the continuity of the wooden framework, fostering an environment where structure is not hidden but celebrated. Beyond material and form, House on a Hill embodies a deeper architectural philosophy, a reverence for craftsmanship and contextual expression. The project confronts contemporary challenges in wood construction within urban regulations, advocating for a renewed understanding of artisanal skill and creative possibility. In doing so, it presents not just a home, but a thoughtful discourse on how architecture can honor tradition while enriching the lived experience of space and place.